if you haven't been to downtown Bothell in a while, you are in for a treat. The next time you head down to Bothell Landing, you will notice things have exploded. It is not the same old Bothell that you may be used to. So today I wanted to talk about what's been going on down there and some of the fun things that you'll find to do when you visit Bothell Landing in downtown Bothell, Washington. Beautiful day in Bothell, and as we're walking up around the top of Lake Washington, we come along the Sammamish River Trail to Bothell Landing, and this area has had millions of dollars of improvements done, not only here at the park but in downtown Bothell beyond. So if you take a look at this sign, you'll get an idea. We're just very close to the UW-Bothell Campus and lots of fun activities over here, so let's go take a look. In the Bothell Landing Amphitheater, you can see there's plenty of seating for outdoor events, and this area is actually available for rent and use on the weekends if you schedule ahead with the Bothell Rec Center. Now, behind me are a variety of historical buildings, including Bothell's first Little Red Schoolhouse. And over here to the right, we have all sorts of different playground equipment, and it's a beautiful park. Actually, I love coming to this area on the 4th of July because the city of Bothell puts on a fabulous 4th of July parade, including a kiddie parade, and I've actually come here before to see historical reenactments of the Battle of Concord and Lexington Green. So this area has been, again, really nicely remodeled and heavily made use of by the city of Bothell. One of the things that they've added to the area recently is a pop-up dog park. So we'll go over there and you can see what it's like for the dogs. Crossing over from the park to downtown Bothell, you really get an idea of the old and the new. On one side of the street, the town hall and police office, and on the other side, new construction, all sorts of apartments, retail, and shopping. Let's go check it out. As you can see, downtown Bothell has just exploded in recent years with new apartments, new retail, new restaurants, and lots to do and see. This would be a perfect place to come walk around, grab a quick snack, or even stop for a meal. If you're thinking about living in downtown Bothell, there's plenty to do here as far as leasing. New construction is going up everywhere. So if you have any questions about living in the Bothell area, be sure to look me up. In the meantime, if you're a local, come out and enjoy Bothell Landing at its finest. Doggy's coming back from the dog park.